Ladies and gentlemen, Louis Armstrong.
Thank you. I see skies of blue, clouds of... young man with the hand up, do you have a question?
Yeah, why is the sky blue?
Liftoff.
That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Why the is the sky blue?
Well, it turns out it has everything to do with the light emitted by our very own sphere of hot plasma, the sun. You see, visible light is electromagnetic radiation. It's a small part of the vast frequencies that make up the electromagnetic spectrum. A large amount of the electromagnetic spectrum is actually invisible to us, like radio waves used by our cell phones, which may be allowing you to watch this video right now, or X-rays, which are used in medicine to find broken bones. The small portion of this spectrum that we can see is called visible light. Different wavelengths of this portion result in the different colors that we see. It spans from 400 nanometers for violet all the way to 700 nanometers for red. White light, which seems colorless, actually contains all of the wavelengths of the visible spectrum at equal intensities. If you pass this light through a prism, the different colors or wavelengths can be visualized. This happens because the different wavelengths travel at different speeds through the prism, allowing for their visualization. This is one of those science experiments you can actually try at home. I thought this was about the sky being blue. Why is this idiot talking about light and prisms and shit? I'm getting to it. Light is the reason that the sky is blue. You see, all light travels in a straight line, unless something gets in its way, like a mirror reflects it, or gases in the sky scatter it. When sunlight reaches the Earth, it gets scattered by the particles and the gases that make up our atmosphere. Because of the composition of our atmosphere, not all wavelengths are scattered equally. Blue light, which has a shorter wavelength, gets scattered more than any other color. This happens more and more until the blue light, constantly getting scattered, reaches our eyes, and the other waves of light just keep going. When this blue light reaches our eyes, the sky looks blue. On the surface of another planet with a different atmospheric composition, the sky would be a different color. Back on Earth, however, if you look up directly at the sun, the light around the sun looks white. This is because the light reaches your eyes directly without being scattered.
Factual combat. Science versus ignorance. Round 1. Fight.
The sky isn't blue because light reflects off blue water. Water is clear and colorless. Couldn't find any other myths about why the sky is blue. Yay!
Science wins.
Yeah, but then why is the sunset red?
Why the is the sunset red? 2-part double mega episode.
So this also has to do with light. The sunset is red because as the sun reaches the horizon, the light emitted by the sun has to pass through more of our atmosphere to get to our eyes. This increased distance scatters more of the blue light away. The reds and the yellows on the other end of the visible spectrum keep going without getting scattered and reach your eyes, leaving the blues behind. This gives you a beautiful red sunset.
Now you know why the sky is blue and why the sunset is red. But why be a whiny little know-it-all? Shh! share this video so your friends can become fact-sharing know-it-alls too.
If you don't subscribe, we won't be able to make any more videos. We're really trying to become one of the popular kids, so like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter. Check our Facebook and Twitter daily because we post some really cool daily stuff. Back to you, Louis.
Thank you. I see skies of blue and sunsets of red. Bright, blessed day.